Basic position: in, on, under. Use in when something is inside a place or a container. Example: the keys are in the bag. Example: the cat is in the box. Use on when something touches the top of a surface. Example: the book is on the table. Example: the picture is on the wall. Use under when something is lower than another thing. Example: the shoes are under the bed. Example: the dog is under the chair. Near and exact position. Use next to when two things are very close, side by side. Example: the lamp is next to the sofa. Example: the bank is next to the cafe. Use between when something is in the middle of two things. Example: the boy is between his parents. Example: the chair is between the table and the window. Use near when something is close but not exactly beside another thing. Example: the school is near the park. Example: my house is near the station. Front and back. Use in front of when something is before another thing. Example: the car is in front of the house. Example: the teacher is in front of the board. Use behind when something is at the back of another thing. Example: the garden is behind the house. Example: the bike is behind the tree. At and in for places. Use at for a point or a general place where something happens. Example: I am at the bus stop. Example: she is at school. Use in for rooms, cities, and countries. Example: they are in the kitchen. Example: we live in Madrid. Above and below. Use above when something is higher than another thing, with no contact. Example: the clock is above the door. Example: the plane is above the clouds. Use below when something is lower than another thing, often with no contact. Example: the apartment is below my apartment. Example: the village is below the mountain. Examples: the phone is on the desk. The milk is in the fridge. The ball is under the sofa. The hotel is near the beach. The supermarket is next to the pharmacy. The mouse is behind the computer. The restaurant is between the bank and the cinema. The children are in the garden. The calendar is on the wall. The cat is in front of the fireplace. The mirror is above the sink. The shoes are below the shelf. My sister is at the door. The towels are in the bathroom. The red car is behind the bus. Choose an option. On. The apple is on the plate. Choose an option. N. The pencil is in the box. Choose an option. Under. The cat is under the table. Choose an option. Next to. The hospital is next to the station. Choose an option. Near. The park is near my house. Choose an option. Behind. The dog is behind the door. Choose an option. In front of. The teacher is in front of the class. Choose an option. Between. The shop is between the cafe and the bank. Choose an option. Above. The clock is above the window. Choose an option. Below. The garage is below the apartment. Choose an option. At. My mother is at the supermarket. Choose an option. In. We are in the living room. Choose an option. On. The poster is on the door. Choose an option. Between. The baby is between two pillows. Choose an option. In front of. The taxi is in front of the hotel.